When doing research at the NECB eLibrary, sometimes we want to find a specific publication. In this tutorial, we will cover how to find a specific publication title in the eLibrary databases with the Search Journal Titles tool found on the eLibrary homepage. At the eLibrary homepage, under the Search Journal Titles tab, you'll find a search box. Here you can enter the name of the publication and find which databases it's located in and what years are covered. Let's search for Harvard Business Review. Enter the title and click Browse. You'll get a list of where Harvard Business Review is available and which dates it's in full text. In this case, we'll choose Business Source Premier as it contains content from October 1922 to present. Click and it will bring you into the database. Here you can search within the publication, or you can browse by date, volume, and issue. Once you've found the content you are looking for, you can simply click on the HTML full text or PDF full text to read the article. It's a very fast and easy way to determine if we subscribe to publication and which database it's in.